Conclusion. Congratulations, you have completed our course. Now you know how to protect your electronic devices. You know the meaning of the main cybersecurity threats and terminology, and how to recognize them. We all know that with the Internet, we have worldwide reach. We need the Internet, and we use it every day. To collaborate, to share, to learn, to teach, to shop, to order food and eat. In some cases, it even defines who we are. But at the same time, there are malicious people out there who have that same reach. That's why it's needed to understand cybersecurity, to put the right control in place to stop these bad guys from reaching our personal information. Stop and think. Be cautious. If you get a pop-up, if you get something that says, "Are you sure?" it must stop you and make you think. Cybersecurity is all about us taking control. We have learned that the human firewall is the strongest type of cybersecurity. Follow us. We promise we will come soon with more interesting courses. Thank you for buying this course.